How to turn off marketplace notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off marketplace notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here click this one, marketplace, and turn everything off. And now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.